Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to teach you on how to add Gmail in your Facebook account. For that you need to have the application. As I already have the Facebook application, tap over there. Now at the home page of Facebook, at the bottom right corner you can see the option menu, tap over there. Now here you can see the option settings and privacy, tap over there. Again at the below you can see the option settings, tap over there. Now there you can see the option see more in account center, tap over there. Again there you can see the option personal details, you need to tap over there. Now here you need to tap at the option contact info. After this there you can see the option add new contact, tap over there. Now here are two options, add mobile number or add email, choose the second option. Now you need to write down your email and verification code will be sent to your mail. You need to go there, copy it, come down to your Facebook page and paste it. After that tap on next. And now you can see your Gmail has been added to your Facebook account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.